Hey, I'm Haspa with WTI, and having dull skin is not fun. So why not use a soap that keeps my skin hydrated and also lets me shave and get smooth skin? With this moisturizing cream beauty bar from Dove, I have been able to do so. I have really sensitive skin, so I always need to find the right soap that I'm gonna use for my daily showers, and this is the one that I have picked and the only one that I have been using for the past months. It gives me softer, smoother, and more radiant skin. And something that I like about it is that it's made with moisturizing cream, and I can effectively wash all parts of my body, such as hands, my body, and my face. I love the little box it comes in. It doesn't come with any extra plastic, and I also love the size of the bar because it is easy to hold and it doesn't slide off my hands when I'm taking a shower once it's wet. So if you guys are looking for a great beauty bar, this one is it. It leaves my skin smooth and clean, and that's my point of view.